How's it going, everybody? My name's Rowan and you're watching The Average Garage. If you're new here, The Average Garage is a channel that I made to document trips, builds and anything I find interesting really. I try to bring regular uploads on a regular basis, so at least one decent episode a week and sometimes some smaller episodes as little fill-ins as well. So I do still work full time, so if I don't get one each week, please just bear with me. And make sure that if you like what you see in today's episode, check out the rest of the channel and the other videos, and make sure you give the channel some love, share it around with your mates, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, like the videos that you watch and that you actually enjoy and like, and that's how I know what I need to keep making and what's enjoyable for you guys. So yeah, check out the other videos, show the channel some love, and let's get to it. Anyways, today I'm revealing my new project car. I've had this thing for about 6 months, I've been sitting on it, and I cannot wait to show you all, so let's get to it.
You know what time it is. Marvin Devine, Huber, Axel, and you know how we do. Yeah, I got the juice, yeah, I got the juice. Whip game cool, make them look like cool. Always play cool, that's the biggest rule. Forget what they doing, keep on doing.
Alright, so if you're unfamiliar with this car, it is a 1998 EL Falcon XR6. This particular car came out with a single overhead cam, 4-litre inline 6 and a 5-speed manual transmission. However, this one is getting a new heart. This car is the new base for the Barra engine and ZF6 gearbox. It's also going to be getting mostly stripped, cleaned, painted and any other repairs that I need along the way. It's going to be fully engineered and licensed for road use here in WA, so it will be 100% legal. So if you want to see the progress of this beast and see how my journey unfolds, please hit that subscribe button, smash the bell button, and stay tuned because it's going to be an awesome ride. Thank you very much.